company that we rented the truck from is Penske. It's a really good company that has really good round trucks, and it's a really good vehicle. So call 1-800 go Penske. So hey guys, as you can see in the background, there's people helping my sister and my brother-in-law move into their new house. And we're going to do a vlog on the moving truck. And it's actually called the Isuzu NPR HD. I just looked at the logo over here since I actually didn't know what it is. And this is a V8 gasoline engine. And we can't go under the hood since we can't turn on the car. The thing is, this is where the segment height is. My sister can reach there by this, but I can't really. It's actually hard to get in. This is useless for people who are like me. There's no grab, like there is, but you can't. It's not reachable. And you did the dash over here, and so this. It's not the power operate and the power start button. The hazards are right over here. Come. The hazards are right over here. The USB ports are right over here, and that's the thing. That's the door. I don't know what this is. This is the AC controls. This is actually real nice. And there's a pin over there, and I don't know if the seats fold down like this. The middle seats fold down. So you can have lots of storage space, and this works as like a tray. And so in this car, I don't know, but I think the person that drove this car didn't apply the parking brake first, and for some reason like the parking brake is in this position, which means that I don't have to control the parking brake since it's already down. Not leaks. And so the thing is, over here, this is the glove compartment, and this is an inconvenience because this is where the airbag is supposed to go, but this is actually the storage console. You have to push this first. This is the button. If this is actually the storage space, I don't want to know because I don't really think this is a storage space, and I think this is basically inconvenient, and you don't get passenger airbags. So this is a 10-speed automatic car. This is the parking brake over here. At first, I thought this was the parking brake because in buses you can't test out the horn since I'm in a neighborhood, and also I don't know what this is over here. But this is weird. You press there's a button over here on the speedometer. I just touched it. I never pressed it. The top speed is 100 miles per hour, and in kilometers, it's 160 kilometers. And steering wheel is actually real nice. Only enough to drive. It's actually very easy to drive this. And the shifter. What is this vlog? There.
Like a garage book?
Line the back with like a mini fridge or something?
And they get a midget to work there?
100%.
That's perfect for a little bit.
I could probably train the dog. Ethan, open the door. That is going to go upstairs.
Your work, Dodong. Ethan, hold the door.
Hold it up because you got
Thank you.
Thanks, guy. Got a little bit enough, though. That's fine.
this is a very useful thing about the car since it is a moving van. Unlike normal vans, when you fold the seats down, there's no storage space. But this, it's not. The trunk isn't power operated, and this over here. Also, this over here, I don't really know if it's power operated, but there's a latch over here, and if you pull that latch, that thing goes falling down. So
Upstairs.
you could never pull that latch if you were there, because they can go down automatically, or if you control it, it can go down while you're controlling it. So
You can go there. You can go.
Wanna get on?
Okay, go. Good job. 2, 1.
okay, so there's actually a lift over here. So this is power operated, and somewhere over here. So it can be power operated here, and this lifts up into the storage bin.
Set down.
Pakita mo, Daddy.
Where's the snake? Upstairs. Upstairs? For the plots? Yeah, it's the guest room one.
Yeah, I told them to put it there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Princess.
It's gonna be the living room,
Living room,
the second floor,
second floor.
and the master bedroom.
And the Penske Rental was a really good vehicle. It's a really good truck. It's one of our trucks, or moving trucks, or moving vans. Penske, and it's a really good vehicle called 1-800-GO-PENSKE if you want to rent one of those trucks. And I hope you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you don't miss our other videos. Also check out my video on the 2022 Honda Ascent, and the Roddy at the Beach video, the ropes course, and we're gonna post another video of Roddy at the Beach soon. And so stay safe and goodbye.